Welcome back to my channel, Engineer Fucks Things Up, and I am the engineer. Today we will be installing this front beak protection on my F650GS, and I will think it will be a good upgrade for the look of the bike. As you can see, it is a bit naked, and we need to get something on it to make it look a little bit rugged. I have to drill some holes for them, and after that it's just a matter of putting it on, so let's get on with it. That looks a lot better for sure. Okay, I am Engineer Fucks Things Up, and this is my channel. If you like what you see, give this video a like and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in the next one.